My name is Vikram. Today I am telling about string classes and string buffer classes. String classes are immutable. String buffer classes are immutable. In that I am discussing about first string classes. In that some methods, important methods are discussing. First, two uppercase letters. Two uppercase method. Here C should be capital letter. Two lowercase L should be capital. And to concat and char A should be capital letter and substring these are the methods in string classes. Public class, I am taking class name as hello, writing main method, and here I am creating object for that string so that we can easily access that string. A equals to new string. Here I am writing the value of string. For example, Hyderabad. And I am taking another string, creating another object. String B equals to new string. Here I am taking kernel. Now I am printing this with this with this object. Println. First I am writing two uppercase letter. This Hyderabad should be printed in capital letters. A dot U should be capital letter. C should be capital letter. Okay. And two lowercase letter. This kernel should be printed in lowercase letter. Here we should take capital letters. A dot two lowercase L should be capital letter, C should be capital letter. This is uppercase and lowercase letter. Now concat stop dot A dot concat. Here concat means we are merging two strings, Hyderabad and Kurnool. The output will be Hyderabad and Kurnool. A dot concat B. This is concat for special character. For in string A, I want D. D is in which character? 0, 1, 2. 2. We should print 2 in printer. and then A dot char. Here should be capital letter, and I am passing the value here inside method and closing. This is caret, and this is about string classes. Closing main method, closing main class. This is about string classes. And now discussing about string buffer. String buffer, we starting only said that string buffer is mutable. Now I am writing program, writing class public class. Here I am taking class name as demo and writing main method. Main string args. And again I am creating object for string buffer classes also for easily accessible. String buffer A equals to new string buffer. Here I am passing the value of string buffer. And I am taking another object, string buffer B equals to new string buffer. String buffer. Here I am taking as ready. Now I am printing these two objects. System dot println. Here in this we have an append, insert and reverse. These three are main methods. We have so many. These three are main. Append means it will join the two methods permanently. Concat means it also will join, but it is a string class. String class cannot be changed. It is immutable, and string buffer is immutable. That's why string buffer classes can be changed. String classes cannot be changed. This is the main difference between string and string buffer. Now I am printing this. A dot append and print another object B and insert. I am inserting a value between these two objects. We can take one or two. I am taking one object and in between I am printing that. System dot print ln. I am taking that object as B and insert. Here that value should be passed, the number where the value should be passed, number should be given, and the value of string also should be given in double quotes. Now I am giving here value as 2 and string value should be print as Kumar. Close. This is insert, and now reverse. The value which we are inserted or appended, any value we can be reversed. system dot out dot println a dot b r s in reverse. This is about string buffer.